Let's Green, Digital and Animate Rural Inclusive Territories. Funded by the European Union. Views and opinions expressed are, however, those of the authors only and do not necessarily reflect those of the European Union or the ANPCDEFP. Neither the European Union nor the ANPCDEFP can be held responsible for them. Module 4. New Communication Era for Sustainable Rural Development. Story: Rosa, Matei and Codrin willing to report on sustainability. Matei, I'm glad to meet you again. You see how sustainability developed your farm. Now it's time to reap the benefits of reporting.
Nice to meet you again, Rosa. What you want to say about reporting?
Reporting is the way in which a sustainable company make known to the community an entire word his results. This will serve as an example to other companies which implement already or need to implement sustainable practices. And more, you will make your company very appreciated.
Very interesting. Yes, Rosa, please let me know what I have to do to report the company's sustainability. Let's go to my office to show me.
I will show you on the screen the most widely used sustainability reporting framework, GRI standards.
This is a very important information. Codrin, as a sustainability manager, you need to pay attention on what Rosa tells us. You will be in charge to put into practice for our farm.
Of course.
The objective of GRI standards is to provide transparency on how an organization contributes or aims to contribute to sustainable development. For that, GRI standards can be utilized by any organization, irrespective of its size, nature, geographical location, or prior experience in reporting, to disclose information about its influences on the economy, environment and people, encompassing the impacts on their human rights.
So, also our small farm can use it. Great!
Very important is that GRI standards are structured as a system of interrelated standards that are organized into 3 series: GRI Universal Standards, GRI Sector Standards, and GRI Topic Standards.
And which is the difference between them?
Let's say first about GRI Universal Standards. This standard will make clear 3 aspects. Foundation, fundamental principles for sustainability reporting, and delineates the obligations and reporting guidelines you have to adhere to. General disclosures, furnish details about its reporting procedures and other pertinent organizational information. Material topics, offer systematic instruction on how to identify materials topics, HO for your organization, list of material topics, and organizational management for each topic.
Okay, it's much clearer now. What about the others GI standards?
GRI sectoral standards are a set of reporting guidelines tailored to specific industry sectors, providing sector-specific indicators and reporting guidance to help organization within those sectors to disclose relevant sustainability information. Many of them are under development. But you know, GRI 13 standard, agriculture, aquaculture, and fishing sectors, it's ready to be applied from 2022. You can use it
Yes, I will access www.globalreporting.org website and look on the resource center to download those standards. We'll start to implement it.
And what about last one?
GRI topic standards. Well, those are specific topic-related standards that provide guidance on reporting in specific areas, and according to the list of material topics, it has determined using GRI 3. Where do not exist a sectoral standard, then will be applied the old topic standards. Some examples are economic performance, energy, water, emissions, human rights, lab practices and decent work.
But it is not our case, is it true?
Yes, you need to apply just universal standards and sectoral standard GRI 13, agriculture, aquaculture, and fishing sectors. This will cover all material topics possible for your sector.
I will enroll myself on GRI Academy or find a certified training partner in Europe.
This is a bright decision. There is many information you need to learn before be able to write a GRI report. Scenario realized by Edu4. Technical design realized by Edu4.